We'll videotape Daddy finishing the snow fort. It's pretty cool, Daddy. Do you fit in it? Wow. Do they fit in it?
They fit in it great, yeah.
Uh-oh. Poor Aiden. Takes him 10 minutes to get up there. Oh my goodness. He just jumped on her. Yeah, but they didn't get far enough down the hill to even go. Alright, redo. Correct.
Okay, that was okay, Mama. Redo.
Okay, show Mama.
Look at that.
There's our igloo.
Wow.
Halfway.
That's pretty cool. If you guys squat down, can you disappear in there?
Okay.
Oh, they disappeared.
Mama, you can see my eye peeking through.
Because you're peeking through?
Yeah.
Hi. Ew.
What? I'm just.
Hi, Aiden.
I like to eat.
Oh, careful now.
You did a good job, Daddy.
We try.
He might run into the tree.
You might run into the trees if I give you a hard enough push, so be careful. If you get too close to the trees, fail, okay? Alright, kid one.